Cloud Virtual Machines, Introduction to AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Cloud virtual machines have revolutionized the way businesses deploy and manage computing resources. Unlike traditional on-premise VMs, cloud-based VMs provide scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency, making them an essential tool for developers, IT administrators, and enterprises. Why use cloud virtual machines? Cloud VMs eliminate the need for expensive hardware, offering on-demand computing power with pay-as-you-go pricing. They allow users to deploy virtual machines in data centers across the world, ensuring high availability and disaster recovery. Cloud VMs also integrate seamlessly with other cloud services like databases, networking, and security tools, providing a complete infrastructure solution. Overview of AWS EC2. Amazon Web Services, AWS, Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2, is one of the most widely used cloud VM services. AWS EC2 provides a variety of instance types optimized for different workloads, including general-purpose, compute-intensive, and memory-optimized instances. Features like auto-scaling, load balancing, and security groups make EC2 highly customizable and scalable. Introduction to Microsoft Azure Virtual Machines. Microsoft Azure offers powerful cloud VMs that integrate natively with Windows Server, Active Directory, and enterprise cloud solutions. Azure VMs support Linux and Windows operating systems and provide features like managed disks, availability sets, and built-in security tools. Azure's hybrid cloud capabilities allow organizations to connect on-premise infrastructure with cloud environments seamlessly. Google Cloud Compute Engine. Google Cloud Compute Engine provides high-performance virtual machines optimized for AI, machine learning, and data-intensive applications. Google Cloud VMs are known for their fast boot times, live migration capabilities, and per-second billing, allowing businesses to optimize costs while maintaining high-performance workloads. Comparing cloud VM providers. Each cloud provider offers unique strengths. AWS is ideal for large-scale enterprise applications with global reach. Azure excels in hybrid cloud solutions, and Google Cloud is optimized for AI-driven workloads. Choosing the right cloud VM depends on factors like cost, performance requirements, and integration with existing systems. Final thoughts. The future of cloud virtual machines. Cloud-based virtual machines have transformed IT infrastructure by offering scalable, cost-effective, and globally accessible computing power. Whether using AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, cloud VMs provide the foundation for modern application development, enterprise computing, and cloud-native solutions.